Let's talk Serger thread for your Husqvarna Viking Embroidery S600 serger. So first off, this is a high performance serger and overlock machine. This is not the time to skimp on low quality thread. So what I am using today is actually a Mettler Sara core thread for my coned threads. I do have the little cone holders in there so they don't wiggle around on me, but do keep in mind that yes, serger thread comes in all different qualities, but if you're having any trouble with your serger, make sure that you have selected good quality thread. This one is even just a regular spool of Mettler sewing thread, which by the way, you can put on these machines. You might just pull out the spool cap and put it on like this. This will help kind of get up and over that little end cap. As you can see, I've used this cone up maybe halfway. So just as it helps get up and over it, that will hold it on in position so it doesn't flip up. Also too, if I am using a thread that I need to match my fabric, all you need is a small spool on the outside needle. So if I'm sewing with a 4-thread overlock, I'm going to put my matching thread out here and often have colors that are neutral colors. I know where a lot of you are quilters, so we're used to using neutral colors, grays or creams. But with a serger, you don't have to match every spool to every color you're using. You can get away with a lot. I've even been known to, if I wanted this in my second needle, is to actually just wind a bobbin of this thread and put a spool here and a bobbin there and then something to kind of be on the loopers. That's one additional thing that you can do. If you are an embroiderer and you have the good quality embroidery thread, this one is an isocord thread. I use that a lot. Isocord thread or embroidery thread is also good on a serger. A lot of times you have a lot of shades and can match even better when you're trying to get the perfect match. And then we're talking about, and we'll get into more of this, is decorative thread. So woolly nylon or my favorite Razzle Dazzle from Ricky Tim's. These are some of my favorite threads. We'll put some links below this YouTube video for you to check out where to get Mettler thread and where to get some specialty threads that would be quality threads guaranteed to work with this particular serger. Again, do not skimp on low quality thread. If you've been gifted thread from grandma and it just isn't of today's thread quality, let's just skip it. Let's go with new threads, and I guarantee that this serger is going to work 10 times better with good quality thread. We know that with our sewing machine. Let's not skimp for this serger.